no time for sorrow, and we ain't got time, no time, oh, time to be sad. And maybe the world ain't what it could be, but to understand why is to know reality. Oh, don't give in.
Hang on in there.
I said hang on in there. How many
Now ugly duckling's gonna take you back. That's right.
I did it like this, I did it like that. I did it like this, I did it like that. I did it like this, I did it like that.
Now Andy Cooper's gonna take you back to the planet. I used to produce hip-hop, counter rhythms with my hands on my school desktop. Till my teacher would make me stop. I'd wait for recess, then I'd beatbox at a pop lock contest. At home I slide across my kitchen floor, doing moonwalks. All I needed was my windbreaker and some new socks. Not to mention the extension cord adapter to attach a little radio that was my ghetto blaster. I remember